Sinabi ng International Criminal Court na wala silang inilalabas na public arrest warrant para kay Senador Ronald Bato de la Rosa. Samantala, naka-alerto ang pulisya dahil daw sa nakatakdang pag-i-issue ng subpoena ng PNP-CIDG kay de la Rosa. May unang balita, si Maki Pulido.
Naka-alerto ang buong pulisya, pati mga airline, paliparan at pantalan. Pero sabi ng DILG, hindi yan para arestuhin si Senador Ronald Bato de la Rosa, kundi para maisilbi sa kanya ang subpoena kaugnay sa investigasyon ng PNP-CIDG sa naging papel niya sa di umano'y extrajudicial killings bilang hepe ng Davao City Police at Director ng Police Regional Office 11. Nasa Davao Region ang Senador, ayon kay Remulla.
The CIDG will issue a subpoena to General De La Rosa to appear personally before the CIDG office here in aid of investigation of the previous crimes. I repeat, this is not an arrest warrant but a subpoena for the senator and former chief of police, former chief of the PNP.
Sabi ni Remulla, bahagi ito ng case build-up ng PNP laban sa mga sangkot sa EJK. Tiniyak din niyang magiging patas ang investigasyon at hindi lang daw si Bato ang taga-PNP na isusubpina.
All officers involved must be held accountable. And just to be clear, he was the tip of the spear in the EJK drive, so we will start with him and investigate down further.
Nung nakaraan, we have a Quadcom report with regards to EJK and other related incident. That would be the very basis.
Git ni Remulla, walang kinalaman ang pagpapasubpina kay De La Rosa sa umugong na arrest warrant daw ng International Criminal Court.
We are not a member of the ICC. We are not working with the ICC. This is a purely internal matter that we are doing. There is a 10,000-man task force that, okay, let me just make it clear, okay? That was in reaction to reports that there was an impending warrant. However, the ICC has said that there is none. Okay? So we have dismantled that task force. What we do have is now a subpoena for him, but not a manhunt.
Sinabi na ng ICC na wala silang inilabas na public warrant laban sa senador. Paliwanag ni Attorney Cristina Conti, ICC Assistant to Counsel at abogado ng EJK victims. Ang ibig sabihin ng public warrant ay hindi isa sa publiko ang pag-issue nito. Kaya ayon sa kanya, hindi nangangahulugang walang arrest warrant laban kay De La Rosa.
Wala mang sinasabing public warrant kay Bato, posible pong mayroong secret warrant. At maraming proseso na pinagdadaanan yan, kaya maaring may application ng warrant at maaring may aprobado ng warrant.
Isa sa mga dahilan ng pag-issue ng secret warrant ay para hindi makatakas ang akusado.
Kapag hindi pa muna i-share sa public yung warrant, una, para masigurado na mahuhuli yung tao. Kumbaga, walang advance notice doon sa subject ng warrant. Pangalawa, para hindi masyadong makagulo yung politika patungkol doon sa issuance ng warrant.
Nauna nang sinabi sa GMA News ni retired Major General Romeo Prestoza, Executive Director ng Philippine Center on Transnational Crime, na nagsisilbing National Central Bureau ng Interpol sa Manila, wala pa silang natatanggap na red notice mula sa Interpol.
Ito ang unang balita, Maki Pulido, GMA News.